Hey y'all, welcome to the channel. We are in Cherokee, North Carolina, y'all. And let me show you where we're staring at. The Cherokee Resort and Casino. That's where we're at. Our getaway. Let me show you, it's room number 513, y'all. Let me turn and show you what we want. We in 513. In our suite, there's Honey. Wave, Honey.
Hey.
All right, there's Honey, and we're going to take you on a room tour. This is a king size, y'all. Okay, when you first come in, it's a bathroom, but we'll do that in that last. So first, we're going to come in here and show you. Take a look, y'all. Look at that. King size bed there. Nice size, very clean. I love the fact they give you some pieces on the end of the bed to sit on. And huge window there. Huge window. A chair and a sofa. End table. And look at that TV, y'all. That's a large TV. This is a really nice room. And you can see it has the microwave, coffee pot, ice thing, as well as a lot of drawers here. Another chair for the desk there, as well as a refrigerator here. It is a nice size room, y'all. Drawers, dressers, nightstands on each side of the bed with additional lighting all around the room. Really nice. And a huge light above the bed. Okay. And then if we come back over here, and I'll show you, when you come in here, you can see there's a huge closet there, y'all. Look at that closet. That's huge with a safe. It's a huge closet, y'all. Okay, so we'll pull that out. And this is a huge, huge mirror, y'all. Very big mirror. Look at that. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and show you the bathroom. This bathroom is awesome. Look at this bathroom. It is huge, y'all. Look at that big old mirror there, y'all. It is huge. And the vanity there. And that, look at that shower, y'all. Now that's a walk-in shower. That thing is huge. Beautiful glass doors. Beautiful. And then we're going to show you the toilet area is set off to itself, where you have a sliding door for some privacy. You see that sliding door there where you can pull it out? Okay. You see that sliding door there that tucks in there if you want to shut it? Dryer. This is a really nice bathroom. This huge, just huge, y'all. Just huge. Okay, y'all. So that is the tour of the room. Really nice, really awesome. Let me see if I can get here. There we go. There I go again. It got dark. It was the way I was standing. Okay, really nice. Thank you for joining me. We are at the Cherokee Resort and Casino Hotel in Cherokee, North Carolina. It's right here on the border of Tennessee and North Carolina. Just want to take you along on our getaway, okay? If you look in the book, I can help you. My name is Mamie. I have Mamie's Yes I Can Travel Agency, but I recommend this hotel, y'all. All right, y'all. Thank you so much for joining me. Have an awesome day. See you in the next video. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.